Amplifier is a device which is used for increasing the amplitude of the alternating signal. We will see an amplifier using an NPN transistor in common emitter configuration as seen from the diagram of this slide. It shows a typical circuit used for transistors amplifier. Let us discuss the working of the amplifier when the input signal Vi is not applied. So first consider the output loop. We can obtain from the Kirchhoff law the voltages that are expressed as the collector voltage and the base voltage. When some AC signal is applied, the input voltage is not zero and we can obtain the equation which gives the base emitter voltage plus the input voltage. The change in the base emitter voltage can be related to the input resistance and the change in the base current IB. Hence, we can obtain the input voltage as delta IB RI because RB is small here. Changes in the base current causes changes in the collector current. Now we can define the current gain beta AC. The AC current gain beta AC is almost the same as the DC current gain beta DC for normal operating voltages. The changes in the base current IB causes the changes in the collector current IC. These changes, the voltage drop across the load resistance because the collector voltage is constant. So further, if we continue with the derivation, we can obtain the voltage gain AV of the amplifier and it can be given as the ratio of beta AC RL to RI. Here the negative sign indicates that the output voltage and the input voltage are out of phase. Now we know that there is also a current gain beta AC in the common emitter configuration. So we can obtain the power gain AP as beta AC AV. So if we ignore the negative sign and its significance for the voltage gain to write the magnitude only, a transistor can be used to gain power because the factor beta AC is greater than 1. All the electronic circuits studied so far, such as rectifiers, amplifiers, operate on electrical quantity that has continuous form. Such quantities are called analog quantities. Some devices, such that calculators, computers, operate on the discrete voltage levels. The voltage levels has either low, that is 0 voltage, or high, that is plus 5 value. Only two discrete levels are used. The low level is represented by 0 and high level is represented by 1 value. This means the discrete voltage levels are represented by numbers consisting of zeros and ones only. The number system that has only two symbols is called binary number system, and the circuit that handles binary voltage is called a digital circuit.